Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast Channel. If you're learning English, this channel will help you improve in an easy and fast way. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the like button.
Have you ever looked at successful people and thought, what's their secret? Why do they keep achieving their goals while so many others give up halfway? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's something far more powerful. It's self-discipline. Self-discipline is the key that unlocks consistent progress, builds habits, and ultimately creates success. In this video, we'll explore what self-discipline really is, why it's so important, and how you can build it in your own life, step by step. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is self-discipline? Self-discipline is the ability to control your thoughts, emotions, and actions, especially when it's hard. It's doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's what keeps you going when motivation fades. Motivation might get you started, but self-discipline is what keeps you moving forward. Think about it. Anyone can go to the gym once, but showing up every day, especially when you're tired, bored, or busy, that's discipline. Self-discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Part 2. Why self-discipline is crucial for success. Why is self-discipline so important? Because success doesn't come from one big action. It comes from small actions repeated over time. Want to be fit? That takes months of consistent training. Want to be financially free? That takes years of saving, investing, and smart decisions. Almost every successful person you admire has mastered the art of discipline. Athletes like Kobe Bryant trained at 4 a.m. while others slept. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk work through challenges most people give up on. Writers, musicians, creators, they all face distractions and doubts, but they keep going. Discipline keeps you focused. It helps you prioritize what matters and ignore what doesn't. And in a world full of distractions, that's more important than ever. Part 3. How to build self-discipline. So how do you build self-discipline? Let's break it down into simple, practical steps. Step 1. Set clear goals. Know exactly what you want. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to earn $5,000 a month doing what I love. The clearer the goal, the easier it is to stay disciplined. Step 2. Create a routine. Discipline thrives on structure. Build routines that support your goals. Morning routines, study blocks, workout times. Make them non-negotiable. Step 3. Eliminate temptations. Remove distractions. Turn off notifications. Clean your workspace. Make bad habits harder to access and good habits easier. Step 4. Use the 5-second rule. When you feel resistance, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. This trick interrupts hesitation and pushes you into action before your brain talks you out of it. Step 5. Track your progress. Use a journal, a habit tracker, or an app. Seeing your progress builds momentum. Even small wins can create big motivation. Step 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate your efforts. Whether it's a day off, a nice meal, or just acknowledging your progress, rewards make discipline sustainable. Remember, it's not about being perfect every day. It's about showing up more often than not. Part 4. Self-discipline in action. Real-life application. Let's talk about real-life impact. Imagine 2 people. Both want to become fluent in English. One studies for 20 minutes every day. The other studies for 2 hours, but only once every 2 weeks. Who do you think will see real progress? Exactly, the one who shows up daily. Self-discipline creates results through consistency. Maybe you're building a business, or trying to lose weight, or starting a YouTube channel. In all these cases, discipline is what keeps you producing, improving, and growing, even when no one is watching. I've seen this in my own life too. When I commit to discipline, waking up early, planning my day, doing the work even when I'm tired, that's when I see real growth. And the best part? It builds momentum. The more disciplined you become, the easier it gets. Part 5. The long-term payoff. Here's the truth. Self-discipline is not a punishment. It's freedom. It gives you control over your life. It helps you break bad habits, create positive routines, and become the kind of person who gets things done. It might feel hard today, but the results you'll see in 1 year, 5 years, even 10 years will be worth it. Jim Rohn once said, "Discipline weighs ounces. Regret weighs tons." Choose discipline now so you don't live with regret later. Welcome to the vocabulary section. Let's take a closer look at 5 powerful words from today's topic. These words will help you speak and understand English more effectively, especially when discussing success and self-growth. First, discipline. Meaning the ability to control yourself and make yourself work hard, or behave in a particular way without needing anyone else to tell you what to do. Example, it takes discipline to wake up early and stick to your routine every day. Second, consistency. Meaning the quality of doing something regularly without changing or stopping. Example, success is not about perfection, it's about consistency over time. Third, temptation. Meaning a strong desire to do something that is wrong or unwise, especially something enjoyable that stops you from reaching your goals. Example, to stay focused, you must remove the temptation to scroll social media while working. Fourth, momentum. Meaning the force that keeps something moving or growing after it has started. Example, once you start building habits, discipline creates momentum that carries you forward. 5. Regret. Meaning a feeling of sadness or disappointment about something you did or didn't do. Example, choose discipline now, or you might live with regret later. Thanks for joining this vocabulary section. If you found it helpful, try using these words in your own sentences and share them in the comments. And don't forget, keep learning, keep growing. Let's wrap it up. Self-discipline is the secret behind real success. It's not easy, but it's simple. Define your goals, build daily habits, stick with them. Now I want to hear from you. What's one area in your life where you need more self-discipline? Leave a comment below. Let's grow together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.